What's up, everyone? My name is Alex Padilla, the young bartender. Today, we're going to be making the very classic cocktail, the Sidecar. Let's get into the history, shall we? Just a little bit of history. So the exact origins of this drink is quite unknown. Most scholars believe that this drink was created in Paris, France, while others argue that it was created by an American Navy captain, I believe, and in a bar in Britain. London. That's where in Britain, where people think it was created. For me, I don't have enough knowledge to say where exactly this was made, so I don't look at me, don't credit me. Credit. For me, I think it was created in Paris, France, because of the French ingredients. You get Cognac and Cointreau. Those are very French, and Paris is in France, so I think it was made there. But let's get started, shall we? First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get half an ounce of lemon juice. Put that away. A little bit more lemon. Woo. I am spilling all over the cutting board. Okay, so half an ounce. And it's important to know, just like the martini, the Sidecar is a very personable cocktail. Everyone has their own favorite specs. Some people like it a little bit more boozy with a little bit more cognac. For me, I like it a little bit more citrusy, orange notes with the Cointreau. So these are my specs. Everyone's specs are different, but this is my preferred spec for the Sidecar. So I just did half an ounce of lemon juice, and then we're gonna do 1 ounce of cognac. I am using Deleuze VSOP cognac. It's a really good cognac. I picked it up at the local liquor store for about $30 at High Time Wine and Spirits, I believe is the store name. Really great prices. If you're in the SoCal area, go check them out. They are incredible. So we're gonna do 1 ounce of cognac. And the final ingredient, Cointreau, we're gonna do 1 ounce and a quarter. One ounce and a little bit more. There we go, and a quarter. Perfect. Let's move these out of the way. Now we're gonna add ice to the tin. Combine our tins and shake. Okay, now that's nice and shaken. We're gonna open these freaking tins. Oh, man, that's difficult. Then we're gonna get a chilled cocktail glass. One moment, we're back. I have a chilled coupe. What we're gonna do is we're gonna double strain into our chilled cocktail glass. Perfect. Okay. Then what we're gonna do is get an orange peel. Get some matches. Ooh, fire alcohol, scary. What we're gonna do is light our match. We're gonna flame our orange peel, if I can get a match to even work. There we go. Whew. I hope my alarm doesn't go off. We're just gonna spritz the oil. See that? Oh my goodness. Okay. Spritz the oil, and that when you spritz the oil on the match, it really expresses the oils in there, and it's really good. It just adds dimension to your garnish. Just toss that in there. I'm lazy. There we have it, the Sidecar. Let's give it a sip. That is one good cocktail. So yeah, for me, I like a little bit more Cointreau. So right then, at the beginning of the sip, you get the orange notes of the Cointreau, and throughout the whole sip, you get the Cognac, that booziness of the Cognac. Really, really good Cognac, and the vanilla flavors, honey flavors really blend well with the lemon juice. I don't know why I'm pointing at this. Let me get a lemon. At the lemon juice, so the vanilla, honey, lemon, it's a really perfect combination. At the very end, you get those orange oils. The garnish really makes a big difference. Man, delicious cocktail. Well, everyone, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I post a brand new video. Well, everyone, have a happy Thanksgiving, stay safe, see you at the next one.